Welcome to my channel! I've been on quite a journey since the last time I uploaded, so let me bring you up to speed a little bit. The last time you guys saw me, I was a full-time makeup artist in Atlanta, which was a wild ride. I got the chance to work with some amazing models, work with some of the celebrities that I grew up listening to and watching on TV, made some amazing friends, and best of all, I found my husband. Once I realized that I needed to return to Los Angeles in order for my career to continue progressing, we decided to pack it up and make our way west. Well, just 2 months before we left Atlanta, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. Hell of a buzzkill, right? So my first year back in LA was filled with treatment. 2017 was a long year. Dad let it stop me though? No, I still worked. I actually did a wedding 3 weeks after my double mastectomy. Actually, let's not tell my breast surgeon that. I don't think she'd be very happy to hear that. It was actually during that time that I kind of discovered my own beauty. Kind of ironic, right? A makeup artist that needed help discovering her own beauty. Whatever. I actually did a lot of reassessing during that time. I basically reconstructed my life. I decided to go part-time with makeup so that I could begin my real estate career, which has been amazing. And I got married! Now, while my new career doesn't really allow for me to take as many makeup clients as I used to, it did, however, open up the opportunity for me to return to YouTube. I mean, the quarantine helped too, but you know, don't tell nobody. I have missed you guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long. So I'll be uploading twice a week, bringing you tutorials, client transformations, workday glam transformations, because yes, I am that girl that contours and highlights for The Office. Honest AF product reviews. I'll say that again. Honest AF. If I hurt your feelings, sorry to you, man. Sorry. Not sorry. And all kinds of other fun stuff like Q&As. Click that subscribe button and join my cute little tribe as it grows into a beautiful big tribe, and hit that bell so you know when I upload. Share this video with a friend or two that loves makeup. I want to hear from you guys, so make yourselves comfortable here on my channel and stay a while. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.